Good day, everyone. Learn how to fix Discord update failed error message. So whenever you're trying to update your Discord, you're getting update failed error message. And to fix that, we are going to do a very simple step to fix this problem. So the very first thing here is to repair the update file of Discord. And to do that, you need to do a right click in the start icon, go to run and type %local app data %. I'll maximize it so that you can type it. Once you have typed it, click on OK. So here you will find your Discord and just do a double click on that and you will find update. And you just need to click on that again and mention update and hyphen repair or whatever you want to mention. You can simply mention that. Once you are done, go to the app data and here you will find roaming. And there we have Discord. And we need to clear the cache. Now, before clearing the cache, we need to disable the Discord service. So open the task manager by doing a right click. Go to task manager and find the Discord. And you will find the Discord. Just do a right click and click on end task. Now in this manner, it will let you clear the cache fully. So now I'll do a double click on that, clear cache data. We will press Ctrl A and Shift delete. Once this is done, you need to restart the computer and then try to update the Discord. If that doesn't work, you can search firewall and you will find Windows Firewall. And from here, you can simply select restore to defaults. You can try that. Once you are done, restart again and see if that works for you. If you're using any antivirus, any third-party antivirus, disable it for a time being like 10-15 minutes and then try to update. It may be possibility that your security is stopping Discord to update. So you can try that. And lastly, if you're unable to do so, then the final one is doing a right click, going to settings, then apps and installed apps. And here we will find Discord, DIS. There we have Discord. We will click on the three dots and we will uninstall. Once you have uninstalled it, we will go to the Microsoft Store. And here you just need to type, or you can download from the Discord site. Just type Discord and you will find Discord app and install it from here. So once you do that, your update issues with Discord will be fixed. Do let me know if you have the Discord error has been fixed or not as far as the update is concerned. If yes, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.